Well, tonight I want to talk about Jettons, and here's just a few that I've found over the past year. And they're lovely little things. I mean, yes, but also no, because when you dig them up, you're thinking it's hammered silver, and you know it's not. That colour's not right, but you're just hoping. So, but they're wonderful little things, and what are they? And I'm going to explain in part two actually how they were used. So Jettons, well, they've been around for thousands of years. It's a way of calculating. They would have used stones, pebbles, all sorts. Jettons were first produced in Europe around sort of early 13th century, and they go through to actually up to the 19th century. It's the same sort of system as an abacus, and they work as counters. But they had special designs. I mean, you've got this one here, the old ship's penny. So it's a Jetton. It's hand shorts, I think about 1550s, and you can see why it's called a ship's penny because there's actually a little ship on there. But also the clue is ship's penny. It must have been used also for currency, and they were. They were pierced not because they were worn around on a necklace, as you find a lot of silver coins, but they were pierced when they were actually made. To stop people from plating them and pretending them to be silver and to pass them as silver coinage. Now there's many different makes, and the ones I think I have here, a lot of them are German. As I say, the ship's penny is hand shorts, and that's a German family who manufactured them. And then this one is the Quarwinkle family, I believe. It's around the 1560s to 1630s. So this is quite a strong period. If they were used for counting by then, still not sure, but they were certainly still used as gaming tokens and, as I say, as for currency as well. In part two, I'm going to explain about how they work. They were used on a checkerboard, and that checkerboard it's where the exchequer comes from. So, how were Jettons actually used on a checkerboard? Now, I'm actually using an old shove halfpenny board here, and to represent the checkerboard, it won't have lines going this way. Whoops, let's put it there. Wonderful. Yes, I have all the latest gaming round here. When friends come round, it's just crazy. I haven't been around. It's been a few years now since I've seen anybody, but I just think I've got a tricky postcode. Anyway, so now I hadn't obviously got enough Jettons to use, so I thought, what am I going to use? And then I've got a tin of about 500 buttons, so they can represent the Jettons. And what I'm showing here is a simple addition. They had more complicated ways of doing multiplication and division, but I'm just going to talk about basic adding up. So you've got a figure of 1,742 in here, right? Now, what you have obviously is hang on, just get my pen. You've got the top line here, okay, is 1,000, which is obviously a Roman numeral of M. Then in between, you've got 500, which is a D. You've got 100, which is a C, and 50, L, and 10, X, and 5V, and 1. So to get this figure, you obviously got a 1,000, you've got a 500, you've got two 200, 700, and you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 tens, and you've got 2. Okay, now there is a little rule here, and that's no more than 4 Jettons on a line. Okay, so when you're moving them around, and this is how you come to the equals, the actual goal. So here we go. So on the second one here we have 674. This is what we're going to add to this one. And so you have a 1 500, you have a 1 100, so you've got 600, you've got 50, 60, 70, 4, 6, 7, 4. Now, okay. Now you can see the answer there, but just ignore that, right? It's okay. What you have to do is you have to have 9 more buttons for this one. And I'm going to put, what you have to then do is say, right, well, you've got 1, you've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so you've got a 6. So you've got a 5 and you've got a 1. Okay, yeah. Then you've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, now you've got 60. So that is let's see, a 50. No, 60, no, 50, that's right, it's a 10, isn't it? It's a 10 there, and then you've got 50 left over, and then you plus that 50 with that 50, okay? Does that make sense? Yeah, yeah. So then you got, that's in the C line here. Work with me. I hadn't rehearsed this. It's pretty obvious, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4 there. Yeah, okay. And so then you have 1,000. Then you've got 500 and 500. So you've got 2,000. 2,400, 10, 5 and 1. 2,416. Yes, done it. Now, if you want a quicker way and maybe a few more friends, maybe use one of those. But anyway, I hope you found that informative, and thank you for watching.